Lock success, you're in the right spot. With curated insights from the best, we're all about your growth here. Smash that subscribe button and let's conquer success together. Your journey starts now. Let's dive in.
I'm gonna circle back to that. I have something in my notes for that.
Yeah, and I was saying that as a man, your life is supposed to be shit. My argument to this is people go, oh, I don't feel good. I say, good. Your life as a man is going to be terrible the entire time. Who told you at any point, I don't know what the Bible says, I haven't read it cover to cover like I've read the Quran, but I don't think the Bible says you're supposed to be happy all of the time. The Quran certainly doesn't.
Well, in Matthew, it says you're supposed to cast your anxiety and depression on him. So life isn't going to be easier, but you could go, let me give you an example.
Sure.
When Jesus was walking on the water, this is the example I say. When a storm hits, the storm is still hitting.
Yep.
But there's a difference from you drowning in the storm or standing above the storm.
Absolutely.
And I think that you're always going to have challenges and obstacles.
Storms are going to come.
But I guarantee you, there's obstacles that you could walk through with a smile on your face that another man could fall apart.
Absolutely. I've just been through some, and I'm sure I'll have more.
What was it?
Well, it says in the Quran, just because you believe, you think Allah will not test you. Just because you believe in me, you think you're not going to be tested.
And being tested is a great thing for
that's
you.
how God shows love.
Yeah.
Because because God's love is a disciplinarian love. It's a masculine love. It's like a father. A father shows love through putting you on the bike, letting you fall over, letting you hurt your knee, picking you back up, putting you back on the bike. That's how a father shows love, and God is the same.
Your father used to push you down when you used to be a kid.
That's right.
And your mom used to be upset about this. Let's time travel back to you as a child.
Sure.
Because I feel like what made you who you are now is based mostly off of how you were raised.
Absolutely.
Take me back.
Yeah, I think I had the best possible upbringing a person can have, which is good parents and no money. I didn't get famous or rich young, which I also thank the Lord for. I think a lot of these people who get famous online quite early, I think they miss out a lot of life.
It's not real life.
It's not real life.
It's not real life.
No, I had real jobs and I did real things, and I was really broke, and I was really on the bus and really trying to pay rent and doing real stuff for a long time.
I wrote a line in here, and I think you could relate to it. A poor man is broke, a rich man is broken. So if you're broke, you could figure out a way to be rich. But if you were given everything and you don't know how to manage this life, you're broken, and you don't feel like you've earned anything. I've met more depressed rich men than I've met depressed broke men.
It's amazing you say that, because there's two answers to that. My first one is, I love that you say that, because I always say, I'm not rich. I'm a poor man with a lot of money. I always used to say that, and I don't want to brag or anything, but just because I get asked this question a lot. I've been extremely successful. I have hundreds of millions of dollars. In fact, I think our last valuation across everything we own we're almost at B now. So we're doing very, very, yeah. I'm a billionaire. Top G's a billionaire, so we're doing extremely well. That's the first thing. The second thing,
हम बिस्किट्स बनाते हैं, बिस्किट जो खुशियां फैलाते हैं.
it's great that you say that, because I completely agree. Because if you're born with everything, if you're born with all this money, that you have no aspiration, nothing to actually grasp onto and trying to achieve, then money doesn't make you happy. But then you can analyze this from another angle, right? We were just talking earlier, we can always pivot back to who the matrix are, who's in charge. So let me ask you.
Do you have somebody that
Well, let me ask you a question.
Okay, go ahead.
If you're born into a dynasty, let's say a banking dynasty, and you're born a billionaire, and you have everything you've ever wanted ever, and money has absolutely no value at all, and a brand new Ferrari doesn't mean a thing. You could buy one every 10 minutes for the rest of your life, and money doesn't make you happy. What's the one thing that's going to make you happy?
Controlling others.
Controlling others. Power.
Yeah.
Ego. So then you sit there and start looking at things.
Because
going,
games become real.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So now you're like, okay, well, money doesn't satisfy me. What makes me feel important? Especially if you're going to add in. Let's add in another angle to it. Let's imagine you falsely believe, because it is falsely, that you're somehow genetically better than others. You're from this lineage. You're better than the other people. And the other people, the serfs and peasants, are struggling for money, and you have unlimited money because you're so smart, and your family's always been so smart.
You'll have haughty eyes.
Yeah. So then you're going to sit there and go, well, why did they make people put on a mask when they walked in the restaurant, and take the mask off to eat, and then put it on to go to the toilet, and then take it off to eat, and then put it back on? Because
I have
I'll tell you why. Because it's funny.
You think it's just because it's funny?
Because it's an ego. Because it's ego.
I thought it was a test to see how far they could push something.
Compliance tests.
Yeah.
Which is the same thing. So when you really understand that people who are in charge of the world are completely, like you said, broken. They're broken people. Money can't satisfy them. People said, I keep referencing COVID, and I do that because it was something tangible that everybody lived through. That's a very easy one to reference.
This is actually, it's a bad thing that could work in your favor because now they could relate to you.
Yeah.
They went through that.
Yeah.
So it's hard to explain to a broke kid what a rich kid goes through, or what a broke person goes through. So this is actually a huge blessing. Do you think that COVID and people's frustration and what happened to them link them to understand your theories more?
Oh, absolutely. A lot of, when I was saying during COVID about the Matrix, everyone called me crazy. And by the end of COVID, a lot of people were like, Andrew, you nailed it, day one. Because I don't think many people understand, because I wasn't nearly as famous then, but the videos exist on the internet. Me and my brother were the kings of COVID. Everyone else now understands it was garbage. Everyone else talks tough. Everyone else has their story about how they went out during COVID. They talk now. But you're tough now. On day one of COVID, day one, when they still had the people falling over in the street in China.
Yeah, what was that? That video?
Yeah.
They're just running in the street and dropping dead?
Yep. When the Italian hospital was overrun, day one, my brother and I sat down and had a conversation in our war room, our cigar lounge, which was very similar to this. And we sit down and said, if this disease will kill people like you and I, military-aged males, then the world is over. It's zombie apocalypse. So what are we going to do? And we sat there and decided whether we should hide as long as possible or if we should just go out all guns blazing. So we decided to go out all guns blazing like heroes. This is all documented, it's on video. And day one of COVID, when everyone else was afraid, we flew to Sweden because it was the only open country. And we spent the next 4 months.
Ironic.
Yeah.
Because who lives in Sweden?
Very strange. We spent the next 4 months in Stockholm and 6 nights a week in nightclubs with Swedish chicks partying while the rest of the world was locked in their house. Nobody talks about this. Nobody talks about the fact that Sweden was open, no restrictions, you could do whatever you wanted, nightclubs were open, everyone was partying, everyone else was locked up, not allowed to go to funerals. We were literally in parties all day, every day. I didn't even get sick, didn't even get a cold, and it was cold outside, didn't even get the sniffles. So we beat COVID, we won COVID early. So even after this experience, for the next 2 years of COVID, I'm trying to scream at people, listen, wake up. And like, oh, yeah, they wouldn't just put it on the news. They wouldn't just lie to us and try and scare us all for no reason until you understand the good and evil in the world and you understand that's how the devil actually operates. But the point I was going to make earlier about talking about how these people are broken and money doesn't satisfy them. People often say, COVID was just for money. And I say, that's actually a very optimistic view of the world. It wasn't just for money. It was for something far worse.
They have money.
They print money. Yeah. They make money. They are the money.
When I found out about I just learned about how they print money, I literally could not believe it.
Money's not real.
For 3 days, I'm sitting around, so I'm like, what the fuck is this? So they can just print this shit?
Money is not real. It's not real. They just print it. It's not real.
Fair. Please continue.
Yeah, so money's not real. And I say that to people. And they
so
go,
it's not about money.
No, it's not about money. So what's it about? It's about power and control. Yeah. Because when you get to a certain level of wealth, and I'll talk from my own personal experience, I want people to understand I come from the lowest possible socioeconomic background. I come from a single mother household. My father and mother broke up when I was 9. I lived in Luton, England, which is the worst town in England. I grew up and went to a school with a 3% pass rate. Everyone around me was stabbing each other and selling drugs.
I thought you said your father was one of the best fathers you've ever had.
He was, but my mother and father broke up and he stayed in America and I moved to England. And he wasn't financially successful, but he taught me other lessons. Gotcha. And I'm glad he didn't give me money because I think that a harsh upbringing and a harsh life makes a man a man. I don't think you learn a lesson any other way. But I come from the absolute bottom and now I'm up at a position where we have a very large empire. A lot of it is shadow. Most people don't know what it is, but even our overt things, even our university and things that are online are turning over $15, $20 million a week. So we're doing crazy sums of money. So I've been from the absolute bottom to the absolute top. I've seen it all. And once you get past a certain level of wealth, once you get past a certain level of money, yeah, but then you understand what money is, right? So we say about money not being real. Money is not real from a governmental perspective because they just print it. It's nothing. But money is truthfully the stored time and energy of other people. If you have money, you have stored time and energy of other humans.
Because hourly rates.
That's right. Because I can take that money and make someone else use their time and energy for X thing.
Got it. So it's a different version of slavery.
All right, guys. So we are back with another beautiful stream. And yeah, let me fix one thing here. Let me fix this shit here. So man, we have called here. Oh shit. So what I'm gonna do here is update the chat box. So what people say. So I've changed the link, and one more thing is, let me welcome everybody on this stream. So, all right, guys, all right. So, yeah, I took just one trade off the stream, and I was looking for gold to close below the range, but it didn't close below the range. Pinch message pin. Okay. So, yeah, everything is very simple. Everything is very good. So, so what I'm gonna do here, first thing first, let's let's do some analysis. So previous 4 hour candle, these lines I have just put, I've just put this line. Now all the remaining lines are just like Friday's lines. So let me see. So nothing. So nothing. I am looking for buys above this area on UJ. That's it. Uh, oh, UJ. So let's analyze the gold, guys. Let's analyze the gold. And what I was looking for this candle to close below this range so I can take a sell. But what happened? This candle closed above the range. And someone may say, like, this candle closed below this range. Why you didn't get into this trade? Because that wasn't the greatest setup. Because we have the rejection here on the 15-minute time frame. Where is the 4 hour is way too up, man. Way too up. GJ doing nothing. So previous daily candle on the previous daily is bullish. So that was the weekly bottom wick. 4 hour is bearish. So we may see this 4 hour candle close bullish here. And उसको कह रहे हैं भाई वो इधर पड़ रहा है आज आज तो इस तरह ऊपर से हल्की हल्की बूंदें आ रही हैं पता नहीं क्या है वो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही लेकिन वही है जो आप कह रहे हो कक्कर कोहरा ये वो लेकिन धुंध नहीं है लेकिन ठंड बहुत ज्यादा हुई पड़ी है भाई वो 1 बजने वाला है और इधर तो धूप का क्या इधर तो इस तरह जिस तरह अभी सुबह हुई है सो एक्चुअली मैं पता क्या करता हूँ मैं 15 मिनट पे अपने जोन एडजस्ट करता हूँ और 30 मिनट पे अगर वो जोन ऊपर भी आ रहा हो ना मैं अपना जोन 15 मिनट पे रखता हूँ तो लेट्स सी so let me put my mobile on the charging and all right so what I'm gonna do here let me yeah let me have the chat section in front of me so I can give answers of every person. We have one like here, only one like here. Pop out chat. So yes. Only one like here, and GJ, UJ, Euro USD. All right, guys. So as we all know, we are bullish for the day, but 4 hour candle close bearish. So then that candle make a difference. So if we can, very tough, man. GJ gold. So potentially I am looking for sales close below this area. I'm looking for sales close below this area, and let me potential sales. So these are my here are my potential sales, and let me see the volume. Yeah, volume is good, and yeah, let me know, guys. How's the volume today? I think it should be good because I bought a new mic. I bought a new mic just to make sure like we don't have any kind of problem, and yeah, just to make sure everyone, we have this resistance support area here, we have this support area here. Actually the real buys, the clean buys are above this area. So now this is absolute no trade range. uh Potential buys. Let's delete this. Take this. Take this. Take this. Oh. So these are the potential buys. This is no trade range. Oh. And that wick fill will be a break even point. And this is like not potential buys. This is like just buys. Properties, risky buys. Risky buys. So yeah, these are the risky buys. Oh, riskill, not riskill, risky. Yeah, risky buys close above. This is absolute no trade range. Whenever I said absolute, that means I have no business to take this trade at any cost. So 90, 93, and that's it. Oh, 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 no, 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 no. So, so yeah, this is looking good. Oh, so this break even point also looks good. Let's put let's put a rectangle here. So that's it. No trade range, risky buys, potential buys. Let's add one more. Let's add one more rectangle here where we have our potential buys. I'm not saying that we can't take a buy above this area, but these are a little risky buys, so maybe I go with a like small risk, or maybe I just turned out the time frame 1 hour, and if this gonna close like this, next gonna come down, create a bottom wick, I can take this trade, and that will be like banana play setup. Yeah, that will be the trade on the banana play setup. So let me see. Oh, yeah, let me see the sound. Let me see everything. If my sound is good, I think then we are good. Uh, so yeah, man, sound is good. Sound is very good. There is no noise from the behind, and everything is looking good. We have 2 3 minutes left for the candle to close. Maybe we got a closure. Oh man, 30 minutes is also. So yeah, let's see. And let's go to the GJ. Yeah, there is no business for me to take the trade on GJ below this above this level. Uh, Here is the level. Yeah, that's it. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm extended this line. So all right, this is what I'm looking for on GJ, and these will be the potential buys. So I have my potential buys below this level. Oh, potential sells close below this level. And where is the 4 hour high? Ah, here is the 4 hour high. So let me just go to the 15-minute time frame and let me see where I have to take a buy, man. I'm looking for buys above this area. Yeah, looking for buys above this area. Delete this and take this as here, and that will be the partial TP area. Yeah, this is good. Partial TP. Uh, Let me pick this. All right. So that could be the partial TP here. So uh, so let me pick this sheet and put it here. And this is where I am looking for buys close above this area. Yeah, this is where I'm looking for my buys close above this area. And this is like no trade range. This is like no trade range for me. No trade range. This is like no trade range for me. And 1 hour candle close. All right, man. So by looking at the 1 hour candle, 15-minute candle like close with a big wick, and 30-minute candle is like a rejection candle. If we take the trade on this candle, that will be not a good idea. 15-minute is just 1 hour, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Yeah. So these are the risky buys, and these are these become even more risky if we take a trade like this. Yeah, it will become even more risky. So for now, nothing we have now. And this is no trade range, as I said before. That will be break even point, and partial TP, or maybe we can close like full trade. So yeah, this is like partial TP break even point, and if we can get the closure below the range, man, we also have a good range here. Like we have this, we have this 30, 36, 37 pip range. So that is why I have no problem until we can get the closure above the range, or we can get the closure below the range. So let's go to the UJ, and yeah. So for now, let me see. Let's delete this. How much range we have below this level? 19 pip range. 19 pip range. So I have my potential buys. I have no doubt about potential buys because I'm looking for potential buys. Ugh. Oh wow, look at this, man. That was the anticipation. Like we missed this trade, and I said to you guys, listen, we will see on what side we hit first, and we hit that side first. We didn't even come to the, like, towards our stop loss. So yeah. Let's see what's, oh shit, man. So yeah, man, I was about to tell you I have my potential buys above this area. Yeah, I have my potential buys above this area. If we can get a closure above the range, I think I will go for a, oh shit. I can go for a buy, and if, oh, it is too thick. So let me thin this line. Oh, so 5, 4, all right. And also we have to do is, all right. So yeah, look at this that I have. Mm. So I have my potential buys above this area. Potential buys above this area. And I think if this candle can close bearish and the next candle can close bullish, that will be a good buys. Yeah, that will be a good buys for us. So because like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a fifth candle. So now we have Azan here. So yeah, I will mute myself for like 2-3 minutes just to hear the look at this, man. So yeah, this is absolute no trade range. If we can get a closure below the range, and we can't use our stop loss this candle. We want from the next candle to come up to create a top wick, or maybe we just go to the, oh, look at this, man. 5 minute time frame was extremely good. Yeah, 5 minute time frame was good. All right, so let's see, man. Let me mute myself for 2 minutes. No, I think you can also hear the sound. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So, alright, guys. So, listen, guys, if you want to take a trade on USD CHF, or if you want to take a trade, if you are looking to take a trade, take a swing trade, I have one swing trade for you, and that is on AUD CHF chart window. I have a trade for you on the daily time frame. So let me show you this. This should be the buy stop. 800. What is the low? Oh, what is this? AUD CHF 856 800. What is the low of this candle? 7. All right, so we can have this 775 buy stop, and stop loss will be this 50 pips. Let me change this. So red, the thin realization. Okay, so this is the buy stop. We can say this a buy stop. Oh, sell stop. Actually, I have this position on my second account. Sell stop on the daily time frame, and this is a stop loss. SL, SL, and AUDCHF. This is a take profit at 56 200, 56 200 TP. If you are, if you want to take this swing trade, it's up to you. You can take this. So yeah, it's up to you guys. This is the swing trade idea that I give from my side to your side because you are on my channel. So yeah, now all we have to do is to wait for our setup, is wait for the candles in our range where we have clean left hand side, 30 minute, yeah, clean left hand side. So Euro USD is looking good. Yeah, Euro USD is looking good. So what we have in the chat section? We have nothing. So yeah. So let's see on gold. Oh wow. Maybe we got a position here on gold, man. If this guy can close below the range, oh shit. Don't close like this. Yeah, gold, don't close like this. Just push up, come up. Oh shit, man. Shit, man, shit. Shit, man, shit. This is not good, man. So yeah, but let's see if we can come up. Yeah, if we can come up, create a top wick, we should be good. So what we will do here, this wick rejection is just 6 pips away, and we have like all right. So let's see what happened. If we can get a top wick here, yeah, yeah, candle close below the range. Candle definitely close below the range, but we can't take this trade for now. Like just looking at this candle, candle close. below the range, man. But I think if we can wait for this candle to close bullish below this range or below, then we can target this area. We can target this potential wick fill. So let's see how it. Oh, UJ also closed above the range. So if we can break the low on UJ, I think I'll go for the trade on UJ. Oh, no, 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 no. You know what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sixth candle on. If this candle can close bearish, I think, and if we can get the closure above the range on 30-minute time frame, I think that could be the best position here. That could be the best position here. Yeah, that could be the best position here because, man, listen, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the sixth 15-minute candle that is try to close bullish. I know we have a range. I know we have, but man, believe me, this isn't a good idea for us to take the trade now. Very, very bad idea to take the trade now. If this 15-minute candle can close bearish above this range and come down in this area, create a steeper bottom wick, I think that should be good. That should be good, and then we can I think take this trade. So yeah, let's see if we can get this candle close bearish above the range. That would be good. Gold. Yeah. If this candle can close bullish below this range, we will go for a salary play. That's it. That's it. This is all what I need. This is all what I need. Can we get a salary play on this? Man, you know what we will do? We will, oh fuck, man. We will have this thing like here. Uh, like this. We will have this thing like this, and we will get into these both trades on gold and on UJ. We will take both trades. Yeah, we will split the screen and we will go for the both trades. And yeah, we will go for the both trades. Let's see if this candle can close bearish and if this candle can close bullish. Is it M15-minute can close, and this 15-minute close below, can we take sell? Bro, we can, but I think if we can get the next candle that closed bearish or bullish on the gold like this is just pushing up, and I think we can take the trade on below of this candle, and we can have our stop loss above this candle, and that will be a better entry, and then we can like close our partials or move our stop loss in this area. So this is what I am looking for, and I think this can be the best decision. This can be the best decision. So Muhammad Zaman, bro, again welcome on this beautiful stream. Yeah, that will be A plus setup. Yeah, man. So we are here to take the A plus setup trades. So that is why I am waiting for this setup to shows up. Like we have, I think we have 8 minutes left, 7 minutes left, 8 or 7 or 9 minutes left for the candle to close. Yeah, 8 9 minutes left for the candle to close, and I think we can wait, man. If we can't wait for like 8 9 minutes, then trading is not for us. Then trading is not for us. I did a mistake half an hour ago. On which pair? I can tell you what mistake you did. I think I can tell you that. Half an hour before, half an hour before, maybe you took a sell on this 30-minute candle to fill this wick. I said this thing, I lost $50. My bad setup. No problem, man, no problem. It happens. So I was buying gold shit on 15 minute. Buying gold on 15 minute. Where you bought a gold, man? There are no buys here. I can't see the any buys here. Oh, that is not a. I don't think so. That is a half an hour before. Maybe you took a stop loss half an hour before, but maybe your entry was this. Maybe that was your entry. Salary play. It looks like a salary play, but it is not a salary play. This is a banana play. All right. So can this kind of pull back? I think if it can pull back, that will be good. If this kind of can pull back. So let's see. Third last candle I bought. Third last MT5 M15 candle. Third last. 1 2 3 I bought. You can send me your trading view link. I can see there. I can see there. I can see that trade on the trading view, and then I can tell you how you can uh, like how you can avoid this trade in the future, and how you can get better on that stuff. Like this is like, for me, this is like a simply a FOMO. Like you said to yourself, hey man, no 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 no, I have to take this trade. Maybe I like miss this trade, and there's a probability for me to make some money, and I don't want to let this thing to go, and I really want to make money and this stuff. So yeah, if you can send me the link, I can analyze your trade. So we have almost 4 minutes left for the candle to close. 30-minute candle to close. Oh, Gold. Can we get a closure like this? And all we need from the next candle just to came up, create a top wick, give us this entry. Yeah, give us this entry. So let's see, man. Let me pick my magic keys. Let me pick my magic keys. Oh fuck. Open calc and what the hell is this? Oh, market pending. How much I will lose there? 23, no. Let me see the settings. 50, alright. And UJ, I wanna risk here for like $35. That's it. Open calc. So yeah. And on gold, 15-minute time frame. All we need is a fuck off. So yeah, man. So yeah, let's see how these candles close in like 1-2 minutes. Hmm. Do we have any news? Let me see the Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Bro, I think I should avoid 15-minute entry in this range. Yeah, you can do this. So we have no news. So yeah, man, look at this. If this candle can close above the range, and this candle can close below the range, we should be good. I will have my both entries. I will have my both entries here. So what is the low of this candle? 66. So yeah. Shit, man. This candle is pushing up. So let's see the 30-minute time frame. Let's see. All right. So we have 1 minute left for the. Oh, shit. We have 1 minute left. Gold. We have 1 minute left, man. You have to go to the downside after 1 minute, man. Why are you doing this shit now? Yeah. Pull back. Yeah, pull back, man. Why are you doing this stuff? So now the low of this candle is 56. My entry would be like 51. What is the high of this candle? High of this candle is 61. All right, so candle close above the range. 30-minute is also looking good. So all right. So I have my buy stop on yeah, I have my buy stop on what is the high? 612. Yeah, I have my buy stop on on UJ, and I have my sell stop on buy stop on UJ. Let's see if this candle can come up, and I have no sell stop for now. Yeah, no sell stop for now. This is like a fake out, man. This is like a fake out on the 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, man, I have my buy stop on gold. Oh, on UJ. Let's see if we can get activated. Someone may say, argue like, hey bro, why we can't get into the trade on the flip? There is a reason. If this candle first came up, create a top wick, then came down, break the 15-minute candle low after creating a top wick, and again break the high. So looks like we have nothing on gold. So just imagine, man, listen me carefully. Just imagine we have our sell stop, and in the last minute below this candle, because that was a 15-minute candle open, and in the last minute we just get activated our stop loss like above this candle high 17-18 pips, and if we take the risk like 1%, now we were down 1%. So what? Now you can understand, man. Now you can understand like why I didn't get into this trade. If you think I am like I don't have a big heart, no man, you can understand, you can say this shit. But I know when I have to take the trade, when I have to avoid the trade. This is the thing that I know. Raja is also doing live, bro. Shit, man. Really? Really? Oh, haha, wow. Raja Banks. Oh, let's see how he is doing. Oh, shit, man. Oh, he took a stop loss. How he took this trade? Oh, he took a stop loss. Hmm. So he was looking at I think 5 minute time frame. I don't know, but he took a stop loss here. Raja, man, you are the man. I started trading. Oh, oh, he took the trade on the candle open, I think.